What's this would be feet?
Yes.
And the length, how many feet?
30. 4 by 30.
This is 30 feet?
Yeah, yeah.
Do the fall, let's see where it will extend.
Huh?
Do the fall, let's see where it will extend. So you're going to put new blocks?
Yeah, blocks and concrete.
No, we did it here. So this is complicated now because they left it so that the car will reverse here. Now, we are trying to go fix it. Okay.